Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Blessing Sommhie. And if you're new, welcome. Have you joined the family yet? So today I brought you guys this beautiful Cutcrease look. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, a very big one. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye. So I just wanted to show you guys a glimpse of my beautiful bare face. I did my brows off camera and I have a brow tutorial here on my channel. I'll drop the link in my description box, so just do well to check that out. So to apply my eyeshadow, I first blended this white concealer into my eyelid. Then blended it out into my eyelid, and then I added a very dark brown eyeshadow on my crease and blended it out with a blending brush. Just trying to make it darker. Then I applied a lighter brown shade on my brow bone area and blended that out to create a very smooth transition. So using a white concealer, I cut my crease slowly but carefully because I wouldn't want to mess that up. Just take your time to cut that crease to perfection, guys. Just take your time. It's worth it. Like, it's definitely worth it. Yes, feel me? So after cutting my crease, I just try to blend in the white concealer into the lid area so it's very smooth. And so then I applied a nude colored eyeshadow to the lid area. I don't even know what I'm doing here, guys. I don't even know. Then I applied my eyeliner, popped on my lashes, and then applied mascara to my natural lashes so it doesn't look washed out, like it looks put together. Then I first of all sprayed my face with this primer spray. I used it as my primer. I didn't apply any other primer to my face. So I used these two foundations, the Revlon foundation and Flawless Ivy foundation. I mixed these two shades together to get my actual shade. Yes. So for my highlights, I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cold Tan, and then I blended that out using a damp beauty blender. And to set my face, I used the Top Face Loose powder, and I also used the same damp beauty blender to apply that to press that into my face. To contour, I used the dark shade powder from that powder palette, and I used it to contour the sides of my cheeks and my hairline area. and then my nose, like the sides of my nose. Then I dusted out the setting powder and applied powder to the remaining parts of my face from the same powder palette. I used the Carite makeup fix to set my makeup, and I applied highlighter to the apple of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, my cupid bow, forehead, and my chin, just to add some glow to my face. You know what I mean? You know. So I used an eyeshadow for my blush. Guys, I couldn't find my blush, so I just had to. And that works too. Like, as you can see, it works. I applied a colored lip gloss to my lips and lined my lips with a regular brow pencil. And that is it. That is it for this look, guys. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like, what's your favorite part of this look? For me, it's the eyes. Like, I just had to challenge myself. I know it didn't really come out great, but I'll just keep practicing and hopefully I get better at this. So see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you all. Bye.